Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today we are diving into a tough one, how to hopefully fix that video memory management internal blue screen error popping up on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. It's really frustrating when your screen crashes like that. Typically this error points us to trouble with your graphics drivers. We've got a couple of solid troubleshooting methods to sort it out. First, let's tackle those graphic drivers. They are often the culprits here. Open the search menu down on your taskbar, click the magnifying glass next to the Start button, type Device Manager. When it shows up, click to open it. In the window that loads, find Display Adapters. Double-click to expand it. You will see your graphics card listed like an NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel model. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You might see a couple of options here. Go for the manufacturer-specific one like NVIDIA GeForce or Intel UHD graphics. Unless all you have is a generic Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, click Next, let it install. It's quick, just a few seconds, then close Device Manager. Before moving on, check the driver details. Right-click the adapter again, hit Properties, and note the name and version under the Driver tab. That will help for the next step. Restart your PC, Start menu, Restart. See if the blue screen is gone when you log back in. If it's still crashing, let's grab the latest drivers straight from the source. Open your browser, say Chrome or Edge, and head to the manufacturer's website. For NVIDIA, it's nvidia.com. For AMD, amd.com. For Intel, intel.com. Look for a drivers or support section. Point in your graphics card model you got from Device Manager like GeForce GTX 1660 or Radeon RX 580. Download the latest driver package. It's usually a big file, so give it a minute on slower connections. Run the installer, follow the prompts, might take a few minutes, and start again when it's done. Test your system, play a video, run a game, see if it holds up. Now a quick heads up, if the crashes keep happening, your graphics card might be damaged or failing. That's hardware territory, could mean a replacement if it's under warranty or if you have a spare card to swap it. But before you get there, let's try one more software fix, a system file checker scan. Back to the search menu, type CMD. When command prompt pops up, right-click it and pick Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt asks for permission, click Yes. You will land in an elevated command window, great for deep fixes. Type SFC/scannow, that's SFC space, then a / followed by scannow. Hit Enter to start the scan. This checks your Windows files for anything corrupted or missing and repairs them. It's slow, so it will take 5 to 15 minutes depending on your system. You'll see a progress bar ticking up 10%, 20%, 30%. Sit tight, it's combing through every recall file that keeps your PC running. Don't interrupt it, let it finish. When it's done, it will report back. If it says Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully replaced them, that's a win. Could be the fix. If it finds nothing, that's okay too. Close command prompt with the X in the corner. Search menu, start, let it reboot fully. Once you're back, just test it a bit. Open some apps, watch something, see if that blue screen stays away. That's the rundown, folks. You have updated drivers, grab fresh ones from the manufacturer, and scan the system to tackle that video memory management internal error. Hopefully your PC is crash-free now. No more blue screens ruining your day. If this guide helped you, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fixes. Catch you in the next tutorial. Stay stable.